Tip number 2 is the topic sentence is really where it all happens. So what I want to encourage you to do is avoid the phrase both, because both is kind of like choosing not to compare. So the thing I always think about, if someone said to you, okay, you have to, you've just met someone, you have to marry the person, both isn't really an option. And same as with comparison, like, which one of these two things are better or worse, or taller, shorter, happier, less happy, less cheerful, smarter, dumber? The answer is always going to be one of them. It might be a really nuanced discussion, but you still kind of have to favor one either way. So if your topic is, say, how a society is cruel, and then you say, yes, both societies are cruel in each text, then you're not really getting to the meat of comparison. You're just kind of taking the low road, taking the easy path. So those are 2 short tips that I think are really useful for comparative writing, and things to avoid and things to try and achieve.